In this video, I will show you how to download apps for Mac. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. So let's get started. There are two different ways you can download the apps on macOS. One way is to go to the App Store and search for the app that you want to download. You can also look at the different menu options on the App Store. If I want to get the DuckDuckGo browser, I just need to search here and click on the Get option here. So this application is the free app for macOS. But there are few applications you need to pay for it and then you can download it from the App Store. There is one more way which is called as the in-purchase app. So app will be free to download. You will get that application on your Mac OS, but when you are into that application you might need to pay. So that is called as in-purchase app. So there are three ways here. One is to get free, one is to get the paid app, and one is the in-purchase app. So if I click on Get, it will start installing. Enter your email address and click on Get. You need to add your password as well. So let me put my password. Then it will start downloading the app into your machine. You need to click on the launchpad and there you go. You can see the DuckDuckGo browser here, and if you just click on it, it will be added to your dock as well. After downloading, it will ask you to access your downloads folder to access the files in the download folder. So it is up to you if you want to give the access to this browser or not. This is how you can download any app from the App Store. Another way is to go to the browser and search for the items that you want to download. For example, if you want to download the Edge browser, you need to search for Edge download for Mac. And then when you click on the first link there, usually from the Microsoft.com site, you will get the option to download for Mac. Click on the download for Mac and it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Click on accept and download. Once you do that, it will start downloading into your downloads folder. So once downloaded, click on the package and then it will start installing. You need to enter the password for your Mac OS and click on install software. In this way, you can download anything from the browser as well. Here it is asking you to move the Edge installer to the bin. You can click on the move to bin. And this is how Edge is downloaded from the browser. These are the two ways you can download any app. One is from the App Store and one is from the browser. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.